Welcome back everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make beautiful raised beds out of rough sawn cedar. Now you can use dimensional lumber for this project, but I like to use rough sawn cedar, which means it's a true 2x4 or a true 2x6. If you buy lumber at the home store, you're going to notice that it's actually 1.5 inches by 5.5 inches, not 2x6, etc., etc. So you want to make sure that you take into account the true dimension of the lumber when you do this project. Before it starts raining, let's get to it. So this is just a dry fit. I'm going to move these raised beds to their permanent location. But I wanted to make sure everything fit properly before I finish cutting. And it looks really good. Everything's looking really nice. I'm going to do a few finishing touches, but this has turned out really well. You can sit on these right on the ledge. No problem, nice and solid. This is the 2x4 foot box, and over here is the 4x4 foot square box. Lots of room to plant lots of stuff. You can divide up the boxes any way you want. This one divides easily in half. The 4x4 box divides into quarters or halves, depending on what you want to grow in it. Those raised beds turned out really well. I'm happy with them. For the 2 foot by 4 foot box, there will be plans available in my web store. As of today, the link is in the description below. They'll be both in imperial units and metric units. If you want to help me continue to make and edit these videos, head on over to my donation page right over here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. There are a couple more videos on this side you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.